If you say tactical, an image of a machete might not come up in your mind. However, they are one of the most durable and versatile blades you can carry on you, and these characteristics make them more tactical than it meets the eye. That's why in this video, we're about to share 30 of the mightiest machetes for survival and self-defense. So let's begin. The Tarava Skrama 240 can be one of the most reliable tools when you're heading into the wild. This versatile, heavy-duty machete may seem like a small one. Some may call it a bush knife, but considering its characteristics and striking force, we included this on the list. This machete excels at everything from building shelters to chopping firewood and even carving feather sticks. Inspired by the medieval Skrama sacks, the Skrama merges historical robustness with modern utility, mainly for any wilderness enthusiast. With a total length of around 17 inches and a weight of 18.5 ounces, it's a hefty, reliable for multiple activities. The 9.4-inch carbon steel blade may need your care and love to protect from the rest, yet you'll get sharpened at two angles: 34 degrees for chopping and 25 degrees for finer tasks that handle various outdoor chores effortlessly. This is the broad-cut machete. So, as you see, it's thick and rigid, perfect for cutting through bigger sticks and limbs, especially the old growth in the Pacific Northwest. Its corrosion resistance is crucial for our year-round rainy climate. Also, it's got a hookup here on the top of the tool that allows it to reach up and grab onto sticks and limbs, making path creation easier. It's important to have a firm grip, not just for safety reasons, but also because you're going to be swinging it as far and fast as you can. So having the lanyard to go over the handle, creating a firm grip on that hard rubber, is a necessity. What's nice about this sheath is that when you're in the field, it has a belt loop on the back that can be attached either to the hip or especially to the day pack. This is the machete that you definitely want to have. Now let's stick around the Silky Nada, a unique machete from Japan that's unlike anything you've seen. Though in Japan, they consider it as a hatchet, yet in our experience, we found it more associated with a machete for its machete-like characteristics. Crafted with Japanese SKS 51 steel, having a tool that's sharpened on both sides, crafted using traditional Japanese sword-making methods. The double-edged mono-constructed blade keeps its edge longer even with continuous use. Powerful for chopping off small branches, debarking trees, and splitting wood, the Nada's blade is perfectly weighted for smooth, efficient cuts. With a non-slip rubber handle, it reduces impact on your hand by up to 60%, making it mainly for heavy-duty applications. Machete lovers already know this Brazilian machete called the Tramontina. It's cheap, but without any compromise in quality. Anyone can tackle tough outdoor tasks effortlessly with this 18-inch striking machete blade. Its heat-treated carbon steel blade ensures superior cutting power, while the wooden handle provides a decent, safe grip for efficient, reliable performance. When the founder of Tops Knives, Leo, wanted a large kukuri-like chopper without it being an actual kukuri, the Bestia was born as one of the best machetes. This machete merges the power of Tops El Chete with the unique design of a kukri, resulting in a formidable machete that excels in chopping. The 13-inch forward curved blade, made from 1095 RC steel with a tactical stone finish, this delivers deep, powerful cuts with every swing, and every swing is playful. Its tan traction powder coating ensures long-lasting protection. The handle is ingeniously designed for two grip positions, one for full-on chopping and one for more controlled, precise cuts. The sandwiched micarta handles are thick yet well-contoured, providing a comfortable and secure grip, making the Bestia a joy to wield. The knife comes with an open-backed Kydex sheath and a leather dangler, making it easy to carry despite its size. A few machetes can be a worthy contender for the EC Darien. Crafted from tough 1075 carbon steel, the Darien's 12.38-inch blade is built to withstand hard use. Its artistic micarta handle ensures comfort during long hours of chopping through the jungle. The 1075 carbon steel is known for its toughness and edge retention, ensuring that the Darien can handle whatever you throw at it. At 18.18 inches overall and weighing just 15.5 ounces, this machete is both powerful and manageable. The Darien excels in versatility, from hacking through thick vegetation to performing precision cuts for camp tasks. The blade's drop-point style and plain edge provide full control, while the gray finish adds a touch of sleekness. The machete comes with a durable canvas sheath for easy carry, making it a reliable companion for any outdoor adventure. Tackling the toughest outdoor challenges, the CRKT Onion Chance in Hell machete is also a popular option among outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Designed by the legendary Ken Onion, this beefy machete is built for survival. Its 12-inch black powder-coated carbon steel blade is sharpened to cut through the densest brush and toughest wood, while the easy grip rubber handle ensures comfort during extended use. At an overall length of 17.8 inches and a weight of just over a pound, this machete is both powerful and tractable. The full tang construction ensures durability, and multiple lanyard holes provide versatile carry options. Included is a heavy-duty reinforced nylon sheath, making it easy to carry and secure. Perfect for camping, hiking, or any rugged adventure, the Chance in Hell is designed to perform. Now meet the Condor Bolo Machete 2022, a tool that's as tough as it sounds. This beast boasts a 15.43-inch black powder-coated 1075 high-carbon steel blade designed for hard use. The 20.37-inch overall length gives you plenty of reach, while the high-impact tan polypropylene handle ensures durability and a firm grip. Weighing in at 31.4 ounces, it's hefty enough for serious chopping, yet balanced for control. The included Kydex sheath with a leather belt loop keeps it secure and accessible. Suitable for any outdoor adventure, this machete is built to last and striking for action. Moving with the Camillus Carnivore X, a multi-purpose machete designed for any adventure. This beast features an 18-inch titanium-bonded blade, making it 3 times harder than untreated steel. Whether you're cutting, digging, sawing, or chiseling, this machete can handle it all. The 12-inch blade stays sharper longer, perfect for tough outdoor tasks. It comes with a ballistic nylon sheath and a removable trimming knife, each with their own sheath. The high-impact tan Zytel handle ensures a firm grip in any weather. Ideal for hunting, camping, hiking, or exploring, the Carnivore X is built to last. Defending a whole wave during the zombie apocalypse, or just clearing some brush, the Zombie Tools Vacra is another good machete that can be a reliable tool for any survival situation. Modeled after the legendary Nepalese kukri, the Vacra merges ancient design with modern craftsmanship. Its 12-inch 5160 steel blade, wrapped in black leather, bites deep with each swing, while the pinned aluminum slab grips ensure a secure hold. You can feel the power and precision of the Vacra and conquer any challenge that comes your way. So, that was our video on the 10 mightiest machetes for survival and self-defense. Let us know your favorite pick in the comment section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.